Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hey there, I'm Pete, and welcome to English with Aho Pete. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the names of some fruits and how to use there is and there are in English. Without further ado, let's get started. Repeat after me, nice and clearly. Banana, orange, lemon, mango, pear, strawberry, apple, pineapple, kiwi, peach. Now, let's talk about there is and there are. We use there is when we talk about one thing, a singular noun. For example, banana. There is a banana. Apple. There is an apple. We use there are when we talk about more than one thing, plural nouns. For example, two bananas. There are two bananas. Three apples. There are three apples. All right? Time for a quick challenge. I'll show you some fruits and you tell me the correct sentence. If you see one fruit, say there is. If you see many fruits, say there are. Ready? Let's go. Two oranges. That's correct. A kiwi. That's perfect. Three pears. That's brilliant. Five strawberries. That's perfect. Pineapple. That's great. Lemon. That's right. Six apples. That's perfect. Four bananas. That's great.
A, B, C, and
Well
one,
done,
two, three.
everyone. You
Easy
learned
as a
fruit
buzzing
names
bee.
and how to
Words
use
are friends,
there
they
is and
help
there
you
are.
grow.
Keep
Step by
practicing
step,
and
we'll
you'll
let them
sound more
flow.
natural
Welcome,
every day.
welcome, come and
Give this
see.
video a
English
big
is fun
thumbs up.
with P and
Thank you
B.
for
Clap
watching.
your hands and
English with
shout
Uncle Pete.
hooray!
See you
English with
next
Pete,
time.
we'll play
Cheers,
today.
guys.